So here's a different angle. So when I use compound on it, I noticed this right away. This is sticking out like a dimple. So if you look closely, there's like little tiny cracks. And that's my main concern. I don't want the paint peeling off of this car in like a year, and then this is going to be really ugly. It's a nice car. And right here, it's like bubbling a little bit and a small spot under here. It's a nice car. It's the newest car I've ever owned, so I don't want it to look like crap. So yeah, her SUV just boom backed up right into it. So getting it fixed tomorrow. So no big deal. Parking OCD as always. Now I have gas station OCD. I will never fuel up at a crowded gas station ever again. About to pick up my car right now. Autotragic transmission. Why don't you drive a stick? Why?
I don't know.
Why don't you drive a stick? Why didn't you buy a stick? No one. I'll teach you. You don't want to learn. How many miles does this car have?
24,532.
When did you buy it?
Last year in November.
That's a lot. Did it break yet?
Nope.
It's a Volkswagen.
The only thing is the airbag. I noticed there, or not. Your seatbelt's not on. Went on recently, like twice. My seatbelt was on, and it would say it's not.
Oh.
So I need to go get that checked.
I predict this will have electrical problems, and my Fiat's gonna suck too. I think both of our cars are gonna suck.
Down the road.
Yeah. Hopefully not. Here it is. Here's my car. Looking good. The bubbling was right there. The chipping was right here. All fixed up. Glad to have my car back. I know a few youngsters watch my channel. Here's a word of advice if you don't know what to do with your life. Work at a body shop. Look at that. $483 for that small of a damage. Learn a skill. Don't waste your time in college taking meaningless classes. Learn a skill. There's a future in learning about cars.